Hi, I'm going to show you how to create a guide through LiquidGuides. You can do it one of two ways. You could either modify an existing guide or you can create a brand new guide. I'm going to do it that way for now. Guide, select Guide on the main menu, and then you click on New under the Guide menu. Now you could zoom into where you want to go using the map here, or you can click on Destinations and select, for example, we're going to go to Europe first, then we're going to select France, and then we're going to select Paris. Alright, so now we'll zoom in a little bit more to make sure we cover the area that we're interested in. That's important now because we're going to do searches. So we can search for attractions, Wikipedia entries, panorama picture, YouTube videos, or Flickr. Let's start with attractions, and we're going to do a search, and that will go and find us attractions near Paris, France. So we're just going to make a quick demo here, so we're only going to pick a few of them. So you click on it, then you hold the Control key, or that's one way, and then click on others that you're interested in, and we're just going to do 3 for now. Now once you do that, you select this button here, you click on Add Places to Guide, and you notice it turned red, which means these are now part of the guide, whereas these are just informational. In fact, we can clear those, and now we're left with just those. Now if we go to Trip Places, we see that we have 3 places in our trip. Also if we go to Edit Place Details, now if we click on a place, we can see information about that place. We can enter more information such as address, city, country, and so forth. You can also create categories for them, put them into different groups. For example, you could have churches and monuments could be groups, and then you could put your own rating on there, 1 through 5 or 0 through 5, and you can change the graphic, but we won't get into that. Here's there are other graphics, but keep in mind that on the mobile devices, only the Windows Phone actually shows these. The iPhone and Android will only show this the red symbol. There's also open-close times. This is important. If you have information about when the places are open, then you can set these open times. For example, it's open Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays between certain hours. And the reason why that's important is when you create a schedule, and we'll see here, it'll actually tell you whether that place is open when, for example, if we want to go here at 8 in the morning, we double click on there, and then if we have information about open times, it would tell us, wait a minute, this place is not open at this time, so you can then build your schedule but more intelligently. Alright, so we say we just put the rest here. We're just going to put them here, and then okay, so we have our schedule. Now while we're here, we can also edit the information about the info of the place. So we saw here's the place details, here's the place info, and we can change the text, we can format the text, we can insert images, we can insert a map, do spell check and things like that. Once we're happy with that, we can also, for a multi-day trip, then there's also a calendar here which would have information across multiple days. That's easier to see. There's also an optional document. Now document, for example, you could put information, any information you want. Let's make this bold. Let's say we're going to add an image. Now images are uploaded, need to be uploaded first, and that's through the Guide Manage Media folder menu item. We're just gonna pick one here. Okay. Then we can also add the schedule that we already created can be added there if you want. You can also add places, and let's see, we're gonna select the places that we want. Alright, so this gives us the place info here if we wanted to. Now this is for the mobile guide. This is probably redundant. This is useful if you want to save as HTML or PDF or print, because now you have all the information in one place. If you're using the web or mobile versions, you don't need to do that because it's already available in other places. So now we can also add the place names, and again we're going to select all three places, and then we're going to, so you can see everything in one place, we are going to add a map of those three places. So now you can see they're labeled and they're on the map. So now in one document you have quite a bit of information, and this can be edited. You can create hyperlinks to things like bird's eye view, street view, images, audio, video, alright, so we're pretty much done. Now we're gonna basically I was going to show you to manage media, to upload media, you would click here, Guide, Upload Media. That's in order to have these images available online. The only thing left now is to, well, first let me show you. This is just available here if you want to see it as a book. Okay, and then most important part is to save it so that you can see it from your mobile device. So you give it a name, description, then you must pick, oops, didn't want to do that. Okay, I'm going to remove that. Okay, you want to pick the countries that are in the guide. So in this case it's France. Now you click on the country and then you add cities that are visited. Okay, now you select the language and select the status. Private means only you can see it. You can share with everybody, share it with your friends, or sell it. And if you click on selling, you'll have a price that you can enter. Now you can have a photo, makes it a little bit nicer. At this point, you're ready to either update an existing guide or save as new guide. So this is, we're going to save as new guide. Click on there. Well, we're not going to do it. And then once that's done, you're basically, you'll be able to see the guide on mobile devices, iPhone, Android, and Windows Phone 7. And so just so I can show you the manage media. Okay, photo. Okay, that's the wrong one, so I'm glad I did that. It's actually upload media. That's the upload media. So upload media, you click on photos, and then you go and select the files, and then you click on upload, and they get uploaded, and then they're available online. So that's just that ends the quick introduction to how to create a guide. Thank you.